Hello, Buttercups!
I'm Sarah.
I'm Kat.
And today we're going to be doing the world's most painful facial mask ever.
Oh yeah.
That's a tongue twister a little bit.
Sort of, yeah. It's called the Health Pore Cleanup Mask.
And I love it because it has a little piggy on it. And it's like taking blackheads.
It's kind of gross. We're going to be applying it on our bare face. And I think that it's about 15 minutes of waiting and it dries and you peel it off. And it's supposed to be really, really painful, but it gets the job done. And we're very excited to try it. So there are English instructions on here. And it does say to use steam to kind of open your pores up. And then apply it to your nose and around your nose. And then peel off slowly after 15 minutes. And remove the sebum from the nose surface. Sebum, you know, like pimple guts and stuff.
Yeah. We're going to be applying a hot towel to open up the pores instead of steam, because we don't have a steamer.
Are you going to put the mask all over your face?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I think my face is prepared enough and my pores are open enough. How about you, Sarah?
Actually, I'm very excited about it because I have una pinilla ciega. How do you say that?
Kind of like a
blind pimple?
Like a blind pimple.
So I have una pinilla ciega, like right here, that really hurts. And you can't see like a whitehead surfacing. So I want to see if it like grabs it and like pulls it out so that something can...
I don't know.
Oh, it definitely has an odor to it.
Ooh, it smells nice though. Do you find it?
It's citrusy. I think that's citrusy.
I mean, it kind of smells like a face mask. You know, kind of like a typical. Hey, well, Sarah sniffed it a little too much. Are you okay? It feels like I'm putting glue on my nose. It's so hard to apply this. And while we're waiting for it to dry, I thought it would be fun to play a little game. Would you rather lose all of your money and valuables or all of the pictures you have ever taken?
Money and valuables?
You'd rather lose your money and valuables?
I don't have any, so it doesn't matter right now.
I wouldn't care to lose the pictures on my phone because sometimes I feel like I take really pointless pictures. But like the pictures of my family, I would be really sad if I lost those. Okay. Would you rather go to jail for 4 years for something you didn't do or get away with something horrible you did but always live in fear of being caught?
Live in fear of being caught?
Oh my god, sorry, you rebel.
Oh my gosh, look at my face when I go like this.
My nose itches. Oh my god, the inside of my nose itches so much right now.
Definitely feel...
Ooh, timer.
Wait, mine is still wet.
Yeah, I feel like mine is still wet too.
Mine is very wet.
This one is pretty dry on the chin.
I'm gonna put another 15 minutes. I can't look. Should have done my double chin.
Question for you.
Okay.
Would you rather have a clown?
No.
Wait, you have to hear the question. You have to hear the question.
No.
Would you rather have it? Let me finish.
I got nervous just like thinking about it.
Would you rather have a clown only you can see
No.
that follows you everywhere
No.
and just stands
No.
silently in a corner watching you without doing or saying anything? Or
No.
have a real life stalker who dresses like the Easter bunny that everyone can see?
A real life stalker that dresses like an Easter bunny? I'm okay with that.
Alright. It's been about 25 minutes and it kind of took a lot longer than the 15 to dry. I think maybe even 30 minutes we've been waiting, right?
It is definitely really, really tight because I connected it everywhere. And
I didn't put mine, like, you know, I have a lot of space here. Sarah obviously didn't.
Oh, that hurt. Okay.
Okay, let's begin to remove the mask.
Oh, I am about pain.
Well, I do have a high pain tolerance, but maybe it really does hurt.
The hurt.
It hurt?
The hurt. Well, maybe hair's out. Oh.
Yeah, it hurts. But it's not hurting like, oh, this is removing all my blackheads. It's more like, this is waxing me. Like all the little hairs that you have on your face are being waxed.
And I have a lot of hair. Oh my god. Why the freaking look how red I am. Are we taking out all my nasty mess? Do you see my eyes watering? That's me trying to hold back my tears. Oh my god.
Oh my.
God, I can't pull it out.
It really hurts.
Oh my gosh.
The cheeks are so painful. Oh my god. Ah! Hey guys.
Look at this. Alright?
Oh my god.
This thing is waxing me. It's not doing anything else but waxing me. Do you see that? That's my hair. I see my hair for sure.
Oh.
I feel like my boogers are coming down.
Oh my god.
Okay. My nose is the problem area and I see nothing but my hair. Well, why does yours look so much dirtier than mine? Do you see that? That's just my hair. That's my hair right there. All those little things. Maybe that's a pimple. But everything else is just my hair. I wax my face. Nothing on my nose. And I have a lot of blackheads because I didn't take them out just so I can use this mask. Oh no! I have a chunk of eyebrow.
Why would you put it over your eyebrows?
I didn't notice. That's a whole chunk of my eyebrow.
So deceiving because on the bottle there's like a little warrior pig removing all of the blackheads. Like those are the blackheads, that's the little piggy. So I just feel like it's deceiving. It's obviously called Hell Pour and it doesn't remove anything
But your little hair.
Yeah, it just removed the hairs. Maybe like 1 or 2 blackheads I see on here. Anyways, well, that's it for this video.
That's it.
If you enjoyed watching, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe. We do post videos every Monday.
I am in a lot of pain. I feel throbbing. Thank you for watching us being in severe pain while we get our face waxed in front of you.
You're welcome.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy it. My cheeks really hurt. They were so hairy. They were such cherry cheeks.
We're just very, very hairy Hispanic women. And maybe some of you don't go through that, but Jesus Christ, I have a lot of hair. Well, now I don't. Now it has been removed. Anyways, have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next Monday. Bye.
Bye, Buttercup. We were in so much pain. Thank you.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kat. Okay.